It's almost that most wonderful time of the year, Photonics West. For more than 20 years, industry has joined academia to discuss work and research, present educational workshops and courses, and showcase innovative products and services. Slated this year for January 27th through February 1st at the Moscone Center in San Francisco, Photonics West offers an expansive, comprehensive look at all things photonics, and has become the largest international annual conference in the industry. More than 20,000 leaders, researchers, and engineers from around the world will attend to present the latest research and most advanced devices and systems in the areas of translational biophotonics, global healthcare, lasers for manufacturing, 3D technologies, photonics-based consumer products, and more. One of the most exciting segments of Photonics West is the annual SPIE Startup Challenge. This is a high-stakes global competition in which entrepreneurs have the chance to pitch their light-based technology product ideas to a team of business development experts and venture capitalists. The best pitches are awarded cash prizes and can attend an entrepreneur boot camp. Panel discussions and speakers will allow researchers and companies to discuss topics impacting the industry, including global investments, IP protection, and trade compliance. Program tracks will cover topics ranging from photonic therapeutics and diagnostics to advanced quantum and optoelectronic applications. And snapshot courses cover the basics, the very least you need to know about optics, and fundamentals of optical engineering are among them. The Photonics West exhibition is as expansive as the conference segment, with more than 1,300 companies from around the world showcasing their latest products, tools, and applications. New product launches will complement daily product demonstrations, so be on the lookout as you make your way around the exhibit halls. Photonics West is also a time to celebrate the industry's top innovators and new products with the annual PRISM Awards for Photonics Innovation. Co-sponsored by Photonics Media and SPIE, the Oscars of the photonics industry marks its 10th year in 2018. To learn more about Photonics West, its exhibition, and the PRISMs, visit spie.org.